you're gonna have a bunch of hiccups down the road becoming your own entrepreneur. I can tell you that now. You're gonna spend a lot of money before you make a lot of money. If it goes backwards for you and you end up making a lot of money, as soon as you get off the porch, hey.
Black people who are wealthy right now to lay out the foundation for the people who are trying to come up, whether they want to be the best worker, corporate man, manager, director, or if they want to be independent on their own. But this is why, so getting back to that, this is why.
But you got to be ready for the bumps and bruises.
But this is why it is very important for those of us